Oh, tstele. Ta dire nga zo khasan de lobse. Shoda shibju shenga jero. Ta shibju shenga dire shibju shiru zero cha. Ta khasan de ma jinga tumu tin dogi. Oh, ta he flew away jero. Ta dire ma chindugunda ta keja mo me ajera khadu ko tu ni do chagi kiran zo ya wo jini senje. Oh, ya wo jini yenje dila ni. Dila ya wo jini lo na ro che. Ngebar do lo shima so ro che lo. No, DJ da. Da lea ko chung da. Oh yeah. Me too saw a red balloon. Balloon. It was under. It was under a tree. He had an idea. He picked up the red balloon. Oh, ngi tanda dine jita gi do ta gya du kiran zo tis thago sare lo shin sa mare la di kan su ne ta ke ke je din da lo. Oh, dai ne ke lok shin na di gor ta tis nam gyu gi sik sa wa dine mi son sa kiran zo lo la tis kala tik re den de gi ro. Oh, jita ngi ta gya da since do gin je ji do one de ba jin chi gi yor ji da tema ngi sum lo do kan su ne odi chin in da ta kiran zo di la ni da kiran zo tis dile do na ro chi lo. He picked up the red balloon. He was careful. He was careful. C-A-R-E, care, F-U-L, full, careful. Not to burst it. He flew to the mango tree. The crow was sitting on the tree. Mitu went behind. Mitu went behind the tree. He packed the balloon with his red beak. Pop! The balloon burst. It made a loud, L-O-U-D, loud noise. Cow, said the crow, and he fell off the tree. Cow, a big gun, a big gun is after me, said the crow. He flew away. He never came back to the tree. Oh, dadre ngoshi dine jira. Oh, dine chinda kane magi kiran tul teshe gegi. Tila abochin nisiruchi, abochin ngiruchi. Oh, yeah. Oh, ta khazang azo gawar badu dore. Cow, go away, the crow shouted. He had a very loud voice. Mitu was afraid of the crow. He flew away. Ta cow khazang porodi galara cow phajula ra. Tadi ani Mitu di khola sena jeje ko ma phir jara phir dojtara phir doje da dirin garji du ta. Mitu saw a red balloon. Mitu gi ghar thungre ani Mitu gi saw a red balloon. Mitu gi ma phir du sambala ani shindo ji hola ko ani garse gore dij dore balloon gangbuj dore ora red balloons gangbuj dore gangbu de thong do de de thong do de gangbuj dore Gampur da diausa dike azo ya kushul marian lo Gampur da red balloons. He had an idea. Tako red balloon Gampu small jitondu sambala Gautor it was under a tree. Gampu di Gautor shindo hola under lana hola lagor under a tree shindo hola thong yes de shindo hola redwa. He had an idea. Tako ideas na rikba oh ngal rikba chi da laira kan chi lega ta rikba da ngaso di rikba chi tang was rikba chi he had an idea. Oh, kola ini rikbachi ngires. I have an idea. Ngal rikbachi you. He had an idea. Kola rikbachi you ngire ko ngires. Ra, he picked up the red balloons. Oh, he picked up sana yak kyar. How's he picked up the red balloons. The balloon mao. Ini gambu mao diko yak kyar. He was careful not to burst its. Gambu dikya je gambu dikhadu kya mai mada kali kali sabsaj ne careful sana sabsaj ne ra. सबसे careful not to burst is सबसे नेता को गांपुदी माथुरा चिदु रा यहाँ को गांपुदी सबसे न क्या चुना है नहीं या माचु खेस ना को थोड़ा ओरा माथुरा चिदु इन्हीं सबसे ने खेले रेस he flew to the mango tree इन्हीं को सबसे ने क्या ले तो क्या चिका डोरे if he flew to the mango tree इन्हीं को आमदोंगी चिला आमदोंगी साला इन्हीं को फिन डोरेस the crow was sitting on the tree. Any amdon talti do sambala the karsegore. The crow was sitting on the tree. Porodik de deures gaudere sitting na debara on the trees. Gaudere shinongal de deures. Mitu went behind the trees. Any mitu di poro di thonda mitu di any katu porotala madovache the shinon the gablo dosere behind na gabla lagi also. Mitu went behind the tree. Mitu the initial gabble pures. Oh, the dua poro de dua mitu de Thompson Taco, the Nema, Geneco, the Cablo, and Cablo to Ache. Oh, yeah, that the Nema, he packed the balloon with his red beak. He packed the packs in a shuba. Korangi chudu the shuba. The balloons the kampu dila shuchuto ki shurda with his red beak korangi any chudu digi chudu mao digi any kampula shure shusna shur shuche garche ja pop ne ke do pop pop la do pop na jidan do na ges mare de na ku pop la di any ko kampu thona ki kane ke re pop lagira o di pop di be ke charda ko da dire thora ki da dire thiso thila na energy thiko gire pop na the balloon burst and ko kampu di thor balloon burst na kampu di thor is it made a loud noise kampu di thor ne kick chimbu get the kampu di thor na kick chim game de ekran labda la linga de sambara kampu tor gyo pa ne oh it made a loud noise ni kampu di thor che any kick chimbu ji do ba dutch chimbu ji do is cow said the crow any dutch do sambala khoi poro di kala cow larki gerda and he fell off the trees. Any cow cook ambush towards the Makushinal. He fell off the trees. Any Kushinal, the Masinonima fell off Sana, Ma Zabara, fell on Zabara of Sana Ma. He fell off the tree. Any Kushinonima Azarda. Cows, cooking cow. A big gun is after me, sir. A big guns. The Menda Chimbujingi Gablola Dusa. Could did the pops in the Gambu thought how Mugaji, the cousin how go much and Mitu Changora, Mitu neto the chamber in Sani Shinoki Gablo Doche, Quitorsara. Oh, the Niporogi Tony Mardak, Poro the garden, the Dangi Menda jigging up the shed and to Michi the Malasega Lesha Adere. Oh, a big guns after Mingi Gablo Mendachi do Stakamenda do as they call Sega like Michi do like your da, said the crow, any cow the Porodicular, said the crosina, Porodiculares. Ra. Oh, lache, he flew away. Didn't cook pin dozer da. He flew away. Stako pin doz on doors. He never came back to the tree. Oh, that dijela niko. Shindong gizala never come back. Shindong zala dijela do name leo mares la dire. Oh, dire that doing the gozuzoa. Oh, doing the pop line third the porodation. No, chada me bedu. Oh, dire. The Denmatis Chitura ding also the Rimowaji China do shout. The dinner low lying crowns with the Kazana Chitla Chitusakashi taking the Lani crowns with Chitusuriche. Oh, the balloon under careful sit and a sitting behind all thing about the Chitusuriche. Balloons na Gampuche, Andersona Holache, careful sana, Sapsab Laura. Sit lana de laura deba na de sittings na de shimba de yoba behind na gablo house what is behind of you a ghost is behind of me skirong gablo kare dus ni gablo tongdishino so uchi dus house oh dire oh that thing about the lakiran to ni sidu ya bo so na roche oh ya daga e tuji che